In today's video, I will walk you through how to record trades on MetaTrader 5. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and looking toward the bottom section of the platform. This is where you'll find the Toolbox panel. The Toolbox contains several tabs related to your trading account, including Trades, Exposure, News, Mailbox, and Account History. If the Toolbox panel isn't currently visible, make sure the lower panel is displayed before continuing. Once it's available, click on the History tab. This section displays your completed trading activity rather than positions that are still open. After opening the History tab, right-click anywhere inside the History window. A menu will appear with several options for choosing the period of trading history you want to display. Select the time range that matches the report you want to save. You can choose Today if you only want trades from the current day, Last Month if you want a summary of recent activity, or Custom Period if you want to specify your own date range. Once you've selected the appropriate period, allow the history window to update. The list will now display the completed trades that fall within the selected dates. Before saving the report, take a moment to review the information shown in the window. Look through the completed trades and confirm that the history includes the activity you want to record. You can review details such as the entry and exit prices, whether each trade closed with a profit or a loss, and any commissions or swap charges associated with those trades. After confirming that the displayed history is correct, right-click again anywhere inside the History tab. This time, look for the option labeled Report or Save as Report, depending on your version of MetaTrader 5. Click the appropriate option to create a report based on the trade history currently displayed in the window. The report will include the information shown for the selected time period. When the Save window appears, choose the location on your computer where you want to store the report. Select a folder that's easy for you to remember so you can quickly find your trading records later whenever you need them. After choosing the folder, complete the save process. MetaTrader 5 will create a report containing the trading history from the selected period. If you need additional reports for different dates, simply repeat the same process. Return to the History tab, choose a different time period, review the displayed trades, and save another report. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.